These are the 4 things that I look at every time I write a new copy. If I don't have all 4 of them, well, then I don't run the campaign. And the times I have run the campaign, they haven't been very successful. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Oscar. I've booked thousands upon thousands of meetings through cold email. I scaled my SaaS Vina AI to 260 plus users with cold email. And I've scaled my new school community to $10,000 in revenue in a couple of weeks. I know a thing or two about cold email is what I'm trying to say essentially. So now let's get started. What are these 4 things? Well, the first thing that you need is a market. The market, the way you select this is very simple. You just look at, can they afford what you offer? Can you help them? Is it a growing market? Is the data easy to find? If it matches all of those, well, then you're good to go. The next thing you need is a desired outcome. What a desired outcome means is essentially an outcome that is desired by this market, by your niche. It's crucial that it's actually desired, because here's where a lot of people go wrong. They take the outcome that they can deliver. So that would be, for example, rank on the first page of Google on one specific keyword with SEO. This and that reply rate. This and that bounce rate. Whatever it is, they take an outcome that they can deliver. And the problem with doing that is that if your market doesn't want that outcome, well, then it's not going to work. So this isn't about you at all. This is only about them, what they want, what they crave. And usually this is money or time. Let's say our market is marketing agencies and their desired outcome, well, that's money. And now we just need to determine, well, how do you get money? Well, you get them through clients, pretty simple. And how do you get clients? Well, you get them through meetings. And how do you get meetings? This we don't know. We have no clue. And I have a video, I can link it in the description, that shows you how to go even deeper here, to find out what process they're currently using to achieve their desired outcome. And that way you can adapt your copy much better and achieve better reply rates, yada, yada, yada. But in this video, we're not going to focus on this. So money, clients, meetings. Now we need to make it tangible. Because coming to someone and saying, well, we can help you get more money, more clients, more meetings. Well, it's not really that powerful. We need to make it tangible. How can you make it tangible? Well, how much money do they want? Let's say $10,000. That's how much money they want. And how many clients would that mean? Well, for example, 5 clients. And how many meetings do they need to get 5 clients? Well, about 20. So these are sort of the outcomes that you need to deliver. Why we have these 3 will make more sense in a minute now. Now, the last thing is we need confidence. We need confidence. And what confidence is essentially they trust you. Trust that you can achieve, that you can produce this outcome. That's what we need. And this is the most important one here, because if you don't have confidence, well, no one is going to buy from you. So how do we achieve confidence? Well, there are 3 ways. Case studies, right? We have guarantee, and we have, well, trust. These are 3 things that we can use to build confidence. So what are case studies? Well, case studies are essentially proof that you can deliver. Guarantees is that you put your money where your mouth is. You can guarantee this outcome. Trust is built through, well, for example, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook. People know you already and therefore trust you. So sort of like in my case, when I reach out to people in the cold email community, they tend to trust me because some of them know me, right? If you don't have any of these, you won't succeed. You can't succeed without at least one of these. You approach a company, a complete stranger, and tell them, we can help you add $10,000 in revenue. All right, well, do you have case studies? Have you done it before? Well, no, not exactly. Well, can you guarantee it? Also, no, we don't have any guarantees. Well, do you have any YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Facebook, anywhere I can find you to see if you actually deliver? No, I'm not actually on LinkedIn, or I don't have a web. Like, what the fuck do you expect, honestly, man? Like, if you don't have at least one of these, it will be extremely difficult. Now, let's say we have case studies. Now I'm going to show you how to sort of frame these copies, right? So let's say we have case studies Ideally, you want to include all of these components in your case study. That will give it the maximum effect. For example, you had a client that you helped add $20,000 in monthly recurring revenue by booking, let's say by getting him, 10 clients, by booking 40 meetings. If you have a case study like this, and if you can build out the case study like this, then it's golden, right? You have all the components. Now, if you don't have, for example, if you have helped them sign 10 clients, but you don't know the revenue, either ask them or remove the revenue part from it. So then you just have 10 clients, 40 meetings. If you don't have clients, then go for meetings. The thing here is that you need at least one of these for this to work. You need to have proof that you have delivered one of these. And the closer to the actual desired outcome you get, the better. So how you would write this in an email is something like this. Recently, we helped client book 40 meetings, close 10 clients, which added up to 20,000 in new MRR. I'd love to send over a video on how we can do the same for you. There you have it. This sentence maximizes trust. Next thing is guarantee, right? Or pay on results. And this is if you don't have case studies, right? And you need to guarantee it. Then it can look something like this. On a complete pay on results basis, we'll help company name add $10,000 in new MRR in 60 days. That's an example of what it can look like. And trust. If you have trust, you need to sell to the people who trust you. So for example, if I scrape leads on Apollo, basically every marketing agency in the world, then about 99.9% of them won't know who I am. So what I'm doing and how I'm selling basically whatever the fuck I want at this point is that I target people who trust me. So people who like cold email related posts on LinkedIn, people who follow cold email related companies on LinkedIn, people who follow cold email related creators on LinkedIn. I target people who know me. When someone trusts me, then it's much easier to sell. Then I can sell more features. Then I don't need these. I still include them. The more of these you have, the better. But you need at least one of them. If you don't have one of them, you won't succeed. You need one of them. Those are the 4 conditions that you need to succeed. So if you want to join my Outbound Academy, which is a school I have where I teach you everything I know about cold email and exactly how we're adding between $60,000 to $80,000 in new monthly recurring revenue every month through cold email, then click the link below. We have everything you need about cold email and 2 different strategies that are completely different, and the combination, the results are outstanding. Anyways, that's it for me.